ClickUp and Notion are both versatile productivity tools that have gained popularity for their flexibility and wide range of features. However, they cater to slightly different needs and offer unique strengths. This video will compare ClickUp and Notion to help you determine which tool is a better fit for you. ClickUp, the all-in-one productivity platform. ClickUp is a project management tool that aims to replace multiple apps by offering a comprehensive suite of features. It excels at task management, project planning, time tracking, workflow automation. Notion, the customizable workspace. Notion is a more flexible and customizable workspace that combines databases, notes, and wikis. It's known for its database functionality, note-taking capabilities, customizable page layouts, strong community support. Key differences. Feature. ClickUp. Notion. Primary focus. Project management. Workspace customization. Task management. Robust task management features with dependencies, time tracking, and automation. Basic task management within databases. Project planning. Strong project planning capabilities with Gantt charts, timelines, and workload management. Project planning through databases and linked pages. Databases. Databases are used for specific project management purposes. Databases are a core feature, highly flexible and customizable. Note-taking. Note-taking within tasks and documents. Powerful note-taking with rich media support and page customization. Customization. Highly customizable for project management workflows. Extremely customizable for various use cases, from personal wikis to complex systems. Automation. Strong automation features for task workflows. Automation through integrations and limited built-in features. User interface. More structured, geared towards project management. More open-ended, requires more setup. Learning curve. Steeper learning curve due to the abundance of features. Moderate learning curve depends on complexity of setup. Task management. ClickUp's task management is a core strength. It offers a hierarchical structure with tasks, subtasks, and checklists, along with features like dependencies, time tracking, multiple assignees, custom statuses, automation. Notion's task management is more basic. You can create tasks within databases and use properties to track progress, but it lacks some of ClickUp's advanced features. Project planning. ClickUp provides robust project planning features, including Gantt charts, timelines, workload management, mind maps. Notion handles project planning through databases, where you can link tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. It requires more manual setup to achieve similar results. Databases. Both tools offer databases, but they function differently. In ClickUp, databases are primarily used for project management, such as creating task lists or tracking sprints. In Notion, databases are a core feature and can be used for a wide range of purposes, from managing projects to creating a CRM. Note-taking. Notion excels in note-taking. Its pages are highly customizable, allowing you to embed various content types, including text, images, videos, audio, code snippets, files, databases. ClickUp's note-taking is less flexible, primarily serving to supplement tasks and projects. Customization. Both tools are customizable, but in different ways. ClickUp is tailored for project management, allowing you to customize workflows, statuses, and fields. Notion is a blank canvas, enabling you to create custom systems for virtually anything. Automation. ClickUp has strong built-in automation features for task workflows, such as automatically assigning tasks, changing statuses, and sending notifications. Notion's automation is primarily through integrations with other tools. User interface. ClickUp's interface is more structured and geared towards project management. It can feel overwhelming initially due to the sheer number of features. Notion's interface is more open-ended, but requires more setup to create a functional workspace. Learning curve. ClickUp has a steeper learning curve due to its abundance of features and project management focus. Notion's learning curve is moderate, but it can become complex depending on how customized your workspace is. Use cases. ClickUp is best for project management, task tracking, team collaboration, agile workflows, operations management. Notion is best for knowledge management, documentation, personal productivity, database creation, content creation, pricing. Both ClickUp and Notion offer free plans with limitations. Their paid plans are similarly priced, but ClickUp's pricing is per user, while Notion's is more tiered.